Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. Today I shall discuss chapter number 2, the thief's story in details. Before this, we have already taught you first chapter, Triumph of Surgery, a Triumph of Surgery. And in this lesson, you have already studied about the condition of dog, the chief character of the doctors, that means Mr. Harriot, and the third one, Mrs. Pumphrey, one who loves, used to love from Tricky with Tricky, but all of a sudden the Tricky fell ill, and what happened you have studied. So it is necessary and it is important for all of you have to discuss the question answer, because through the question answer you will able to understand, you will able to explain the answer according to the question and according to the meaning of the question. So it's your work. Now today I shall discuss the thief's story, which is composed by Ruskin Bond. So at first some points I want to tell about the author Ruskin Bond. He was a great author. Ruskin Bond is a famous Indian writer in English. He was born on 19th May 1934. Ruskin's father was with the Royal Air Force. At the age of 10, Ruskin started living with his grandmother in Dehradun. After his father's death in 1944, this was the period. He spent 4 years in London, where he started writing his first novel, The Room on the Roof. Ruskin is now recognized as a leading writer in English and particularly known for his short stories, because he became popular and he earned a lot of name and fame in the field of English literature. So great work, great ethics, great attitude shown by Ruskin Bond, and wanted to give the information to the people of the world. So according to the thief's story, firstly we have to read the central idea and central theme about this story, which kind of information this is. A young boy makes friend with Anil. Anil trusts him completely and employs him. Does the boy betray his trust? मतलब क्या है, एक जवान लड़का जो है, जिसका नाम एक जवान लड़का जो है, सो अनिल को, या नरेटर खुद ब खुद रस्किन बॉन्ड जो है सो ये रोल प्ले करके बताए हैं, जो अनिल नाम का लड़का से मिलता है, दोस्ती बनाता है. अनिल ट्रस्ट हिम कम्प्लीटली, अनिल जो है सो उस पर विश्वास करता है एंड अपने यहाँ काम करने के लिए रख लेता है. डज द बॉय बिट्रे हिज ट्रस्ट, क्या लड़का उसके ट्रस्ट को बिट्रे कर पाता है? जैसा कि जानते हैं आप, एज यू नो डैट द थीफ्स स्टोरी मतलब चोरों की कहानी. सो फर्स्टली यू हैव टू एनालाइज द क्वेश्चन विच इज ऑलरेडी गिवन in your book, and it is very very important have to describe, because this is the beginning part and the author wants to know how much capacity to express the answer of this chapter, the thief's story. So first one for you, second one for you, third one for you. And it is important, and doing after, writing after, you have to send this particular question on a school apps or a school channel. From there we can get the information, and we get the information, and we shall try to check that you have already correct, you have written already correct or not. If you have written correctly, then it will provide a lot of happiness, a lot of pleasure to me and to us, and nothing, no any problem will be raised in front of us, because everything will be okay, and our examination is very very at hand, because time is passing on day by day. So third one, what does he get from Anil in return for his work? What does he get from Anil? मतलब अनिल से वह क्या पाता है इन रिटर्न फॉर हिज वर्क, मतलब काम के रिटर्न में, काम के बदले में उसे क्या रिटर्न मिलती है. सो थ्रू ए स्टोरी लेट अस वी हैव टू नो द स्टोरी. आई वॉज स्टिल अ थिफ व्हेन आई मेट अनिल. I, who is I? I is author, I is Ruskin Bond here. I was still a thief when I met Anil. मतलब जब मैं अनिल से मिला तो मैं उस समय भी चोर ही था. And thou only 15, and I was 15 years old. I was 15 years old. I was an experienced and fairly successful हैंड. मैं बहुत ही एक्सपीरियंस आदमी था, और फेयरली सक्सेसफुल हैंड का मतलब चोरी करने में मैं बहुत बड़ा मास्टर था. सक्सेसफुल हैंड का मतलब यही हुआ, आप नोट कर लेना अपना. सक्सेसफुल हैंड का मतलब कि जिस काम, किसी भी काम में मास्टरी हासिल हो. मास्टर था किसका? तो यहाँ पर थीफ्स स्टोरी है, मतलब चोरी करने में उसका कोई जवाब नहीं था. ही वॉज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फील्ड्स एंड सेक्टर्स. सो अनिल वॉज वॉचिंग अ रेसलिंग मैच व्हेन आई अप्रोच्ड हिम. द नरेटर वांट्स टू एक्सप्लेन व्हेन आई अप्रोच्ड हिम. जैसे मैं उससे मिलने के लिए पहुंचा. अनिल वॉज वॉचिंग अ रेसलिंग मैच. अनिल क्या देख रहा था? रेसलिंग मैच देख रहा था. He was about 25. वह कितने वर्ष का लड़का था? नियर अबाउट 25 years old. नियर अबाउट 25 years old. अटॉल, वह लंबा भी था. लीन फेलो, लीन मीन्स थीन, दुबला पतला. फेलो मीन्स साथी. And he looked easygoing, kind and simple enough for my purpose. And what was the narrator purpose? Narrator purpose was how to steal, how to theft. Theft means चोरी करना, THEFT. So what was his motive? His motive was so simple. So firstly he tries to make some friendship from Anil, with Anil. And he looks like a very very simple man and a kind-hearted man, and it is too suitable, and I will be success in my purpose whatever I want. That's the speaker wants. I had not had much luck of late, and thought I might be able to get into the young man's confidence. I had not had much luck. That means बहुत दिनों से मैंने ऐसी चोरी नहीं की है, इतना अच्छा मौका नहीं मिला है. I had not had much luck का मतलब, luck of late का मतलब कि बहुत दिनों से अच्छा मौका नहीं मिला है, एंड थाउट, और मैं सोचने लगा, आई माइट बी एबल टू गेट इन टू द यंग मैन्स कॉन्फिडेंट, कि मैं इस यंग मैन अनिल जो है 25 ईयर्स ओल्ड, इसका जो है सो कॉन्फिडेंस जो है सो कम से कम जीत सकूं, हासिल कर सकूं, दैट मीन्स दोस्ती बढ़ा सकूं. दैट्स द थाउट ऑफ द अथर. ही वॉज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ thieves. You look a bit of wrestler yourself. I said, a little flattery helps in making friends. So do you? He replied, which put me off for a moment because at that time I was rather thin. Well, I said modestly, I do wrestle a bit. So one fact you have to know, because it's so important, because with this idea you can clarify and you can classify the circumstances. So the demands of the author was very very clear, because he wants to theft the things from Anil house. So he wants to make good relationship, wants to make a good relationship with Anil. And Anil was so simple man. He was 25 years old, and he knows, he feel the boy who is already ready to tie up the good friendship is very simple. So according to the author, Anil looks like gentle and kind person, and I will have to make friendship, and after that I will cheat. After that I will cheat, मतलब बाद में मैं इसके साथ क्या करूँगा, चीट करूँगा, चोरी करूँगा. So this is the beginning part, and this is the story, very very marvelous story. And from this chapter, question will be in the examination, and I mean to say you will have to solve it, because the pattern of examination for 2021 is already changed, because your paper will be divided into two parts, number A and B, not the previous part, previous paper, not like a previous paper, because the previous paper should be divided is divided into three parts. So the condition is already changed, and from books 40%, 50% questions, and from other parts 50% questions. So this is very very important for all of you. Without this, without literature, you will not able to get good score. So I mean to say, take care of yourself and try to labor hard, otherwise you will weak in English literature and mark will be poor. Okay, thanks.